Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Brown and I'm an adjunct biology professor for Spoon River College and Carl Sandburg College. I wanted to introduce myself and go through a little about what you can expect when you take a general biology class with me. I earned a master's degree in biology and a bachelor's degree in medical science from Western Illinois University. My graduate research focused on the use of technology in the biology classroom to help learners achieve success by having alternative resources to supplement course text and lecture. I fell in love with teaching while working as a graduate teaching assistant for WIU for labs in general biology, zoology, and botany. While finishing up grad school, I also enrolled in courses to complete a license in secondary science education for Illinois in grades 6 through 12. Then, after completing my teaching license, I was an educator in grades 6 through 12 at Virginia Junior Senior High School and then at Westbury High School, teaching Biology 1 and 2, Earth and Space Science, Study Skills, and Physics. I was offered the opportunity to be an adjunct biology professor for the junior college level in the fall of 2016, and I jumped at the chance to work again where it all started, to help students bridge the gap between what they have learned through high school and what is required for success in college biology. I am very passionate about biology and science topics related to how life works. I love getting to see and understand the mechanisms of what makes life possible here on Earth. And my goal is to pass some of that passion on to my students, that they might be inspired to be lifelong learners and maybe even pursue a career in the sciences. Luckily, general biology is right where that can happen. General biology tends to include a mix of students who are both majors and non-majors of biology. Because of this, your personal goals for this class may differ from those of your peers. This course covers a wide range of topics in biology, and there really is something for everyone. The way I have structured the course, there are 4 units, each with an exam at the end. This semester you will learn about what science is, the study of life, and essentially how every living thing works. We'll learn about cell structure and function, the cell membrane, and the important molecules that make up every living thing. We'll study genetics and reproduction to explain the differences between individuals and among different species. You'll also learn about how living things get energy through metabolism, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration. And we'll look at the bigger picture of life, how living things came to be, where they live, and how they are affected by the environment. I know that science textbooks can be dull or confusing, and lecture can sometimes be over your head. So for my courses, in addition to the required textbook, you will see supplemental resources available to you in the interactive learning pages for each lesson. You will work in the interactive lessons prior to coming to class, and this will help you prepare for lecture and discussion. I know that this is a new science course and everything can seem overwhelming, but my goal for the interactive lessons is that you will be able to better understand the vocabulary and concepts as we go through them in lab and class discussion, as well as ask questions about things that you may need clarification on. And hopefully you won't feel like you're learning everything for the first time when we talk about it in class. Also, lab will play an important role in this class. We will complete 14 labs that I have written specifically for this course, and because of that, you will have free access to them through the online classroom. Many of the labs have pre-lab assignments with a few questions and activities that will help you prepare for the lab. Be sure to get those done before coming to class on the day that they are assigned so that you are able to participate in the lab. I will be integrating lab into lecture. So even though that your schedule may say that lab is at a particular time and lecture is at a particular time, we're actually going to mix things up throughout the entire scheduled time for the course. This means that you will have to have your labs ready to go on the day that they are assigned, but don't worry, the dates are posted in the course outline for your syllabus. The main advantages to integrating lab and lecture is that you won't have to sit through lengthy lecture periods as often, since we can bring lab into the mix. And for the most part, we will complete the labs that are related to course material when we're covering them in lecture, as opposed to getting a few weeks off between lecture and lab. Be sure to follow this channel as I have other videos that cover the important concepts that might help you review for this course. And I also have videos that will help orient you with the online classroom. I wish you all the best this semester, and I cannot wait to get to know more about each of you. If you ever have any questions or concerns, or even just want to talk about science, don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my school email addresses, as well as my Google Hangouts account that is shared with you in your syllabus, will ring directly to my phone, so I can get back to you promptly throughout the day when I'm not in class. Thanks for watching.